a key.
Yay, Luigi.
Today's gonna be a
Yay,
day.
Gary, it's raining
Yay, Luigi.
again. Get the
Yay,
bucket ready.
Who would waste all of this
Yay,
spoon?
Yay,
My beautiful penis!
Oh, hey,
Yay, Luigi.
those are
Yay,
sunglasses. Hey, I got some too. Now I look.
Yay, Luigi.
Do you want to taste some fruit?
I'm tasting it with my
Penis!
Besides, I don't know how to play the flute.
No,
Yay, Luigi. Yay,
fruit. It's like a
Yay,
pineapple. I live in a
Yay,
fruit.
So your house is...
Yay,
Get the stupid out of your stupid
Yay,
head, stupid boy, and shut the fuck up and eat some stupid
Yay,
fruit.
Yay, Luigi.
Fruit snacks are made with...
Diarrhea.
So eat real fruit.
Okay. This real fruit is full of diarrhea. I feel...
Yay,
Hey, SpongeBob, can I have an apple?
Here you go, Patrick!
Howdy.
Yay, Luigi.
I brought you some pink to go with that.
Penis!
Get those nuts out of my penis!
Have a stupid ball, miss stupid.
What the fuck?
You broke my helmet.
I don't give a shit!
I got
Over 9,000!
grapes.
Hey, Patrick, can I have some of your
9,000!
grapes?
No!
How could this happen to me?
Yay, Luigi.
That's Mama Luigi to you!
Now you die.
Looky here.
Yay, Luigi.
If you want some bone marrow money, I'll bet $1
1,000!
on the big fruit race today. I've never heard of
Big meaty claws!
And they're off. Uh-oh, I think something's wrong with my watermelon.
I won! Motherfucking goddamn it!